¿Cómo te llamas?
Little Piggy.
Are they fun to watch, Rain? You like looking out the window? Just looking out the window.
Are they firemen?
They are not firemen.
You see that red thing?
They help the communities pick up the waste. That's what they do.
No, I see the red thing.
What red thing? Oh, okay. Well, they have safety stuff there in case of a fire or in case of an emergency.
An emergency happened in the car?
Mm-hmm.
Is emergency?
Yeah, in case of the emergency, in case something doesn't go well. That's cool, huh?
Yeah. How can they do it with no hands?
Because it's a machine. You see the back of the truck? They put it in this little machine and then the machine just dumps it for them. That's cool, right? We gotta go get the trash can from outside. Like,
Put it.
hold on. Here, Leia, get your project. You're gonna help with the trash can? You know how to close the lid? You gotta close the lid before. Ooh, strong. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. You strong, girl. You got it? All right, look at you. Look at you, big girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're strong. You got it, girl? You want me to help you on the corner? No, on this side, on this side. There you go, there you go. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Here's your goodies. Your makeup brushes. Let me see your makeup brushes, Pixie. Pixie spent her $1.
I'm gonna do that one inside.
Oh, okay.
My son will have brushes here that I bought today, and it's a little thing to put your highlight on like this.
Okay, highlight? Okay.
And then whenever you want to put this on, you put it right here.
Mm-hmm. But you're going too fast. Let me see the brush.
Like you have this for your...
Good job. Like glitter, right? For glitter?
Yeah, I know, but this is
For brows.
brows.
Wait, they has two sides.
The two sides. This is for the...
This is for the lashes. To brush your lashes. And this one's for the brow. There you go.
This one's for the lashes. This one's for the brows. I'll show you. This is for
So show me all of them. Nice. Cute. Good job.
And then we have this one.
Ooh, detail brush. I like that brush. Mommy may need that brush for her makeup.
This one?
No, the other one. That one too. I like that one.
But you have this one, right?
I don't have that one. I like that. Cute. Double-sided. It's got two sides. Nice.
And then
That's it.
makeup tutorial.
What is?
These are my tutorials.
Girl, now tell me something. Who did your hair, girl?
Oh, my mama. She's not here right now. She doing some makeup.
Can I see your hair real quick? Because I'm liking all these jewels and stuff.
My daddy did my hair.
Yo, what?
My daddy did my hair.
Your mama's right here.
No,
Who did your hair?
My daddy.
Your mama did your hair. Your mama did your hair.
Daddy did.
I like your little bows.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Your little bows.
I like my natural.
Cute. Can I see all your hair? Let me see. Show it to me. Show me all your braids. How do you handle them? How do you handle all these braids? How?
My daddy did it, my mama did it. Subscribe to my channel and get you 5 likes for my video, because I'm going to do 5 videos.
Woo! All week, girl. Yes.